So this is a free tool. We're going to fix what we call invalid SIM. Invalid SIM is the problem. It's all about serial number. Serial number is NAD. It's NAD. Serial number is NAD. So what you do? Going to flash it. We're going to flash it. What we're going to do, we're going to repair serial number. We're going to repair Imei. So what you do here, you come here on your. This is a free tool. It's a crack, and it is free. You can download it yourself if you like it. So come here. Going to press Ctrl M on your computer. Ctrl M, and you come here on Imei switch tone. Put it on mode, and type the Imei of your choice, and insert a cable. Insert a cable. So scroll down to home mode, import. Press OK, and come here to your start button. Start. After starting, remove the cable, insert the cable back, and select com mode. See? Sync. If you are done, let me check. *#. Problem still, but this is what you do. Remove the cable, move the battery, set it back, power on. This is the easiest way to repair your Imei SIM. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more latest updates.